if I told you I coded Minecraft in Python in under 2 minutes? No Unity, no Unreal, no fancy engines, no pre-built shaders, just Python, just cubes, just chaos. I imported a library. I spawned a sky. I gave birth to the world line by line. Most people write hello world. I wrote gravity. Most people make to-do lists. I made a realm. I placed blocks with purpose. I destroyed them without mercy. Left click, build. Right click, vanish. I didn't optimize. I didn't comment my code. I didn't even test it properly. And yet it ran. Was it cursed? Absolutely. Blocks didn't align. The sky trembled. The player floated like a fever dream. But I built it, and no one can take that away. This is not Minecraft. This is not a clone. This is a rebellion, a glitch in the fabric of gaming reality. This is PythonCraft. Subscribe, or I will delete your world.